upon a time, two tech geeks bought an acre of land. Actually, I'm not just a tech geek. I'm a curandera by lineage, 6th generation. Oh, our neighbor hired some sheep to mow their lawn. Whoa, okay. Hello. My husband totally gets it. He absolutely talks to the trees and the creatures and the plants and everything that we have here on the land. I've taught him so well. And he really gets the feel-good benefits of developing a relationship with all the beings on the land on a much, much deeper level than he would otherwise on his own. Did you already water it?
I put a gulp in it, it's drinking it still.
Ah, gulp, 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 gulp. Hello, how you doing out here? Okay, so what are our impressions?
It's windy, extremities, windy, and a lot of greenery up next to the tree trunk and all over, so there's so much holding moisture. It'll be a while before we can really tell. It won't be right away, but we might see an entire length of something get really dry. I think I could put like a little dig a trough around so it can just fill up with water like a moat.
Yeah. I mean, it's looking perfect. Like, honestly, it went in like a magnet. Hello. How's it going? So-so? Good and bad? Duality? They're doing so good.
You got shade for your shade. How many arms and legs and arms are there?
How many arms and legs and arms?
These ones that are covered in this moss are not producing fruit again second year.
Yeah, that needs to be
No green,
trimmed.
no fruit. Yeah, I think you know what needs to be trimmed.
There's an awesome thing growing out right there
Yeah.
from it.
Yeah, I mean that
Super
whole
healthy
branch,
and strong.
there's a lot of green stuff growing up
Yeah.
straight up. That whole branch is good.
But I think it would be okay to take that.
This is good. This one needs to go this way.
Yeah. It will. Be careful. He doing it. Just be careful. Let him know what's going on. Don't just do it.
Are like dead fruit. It might snap. And that's okay.
trying to help you get more space, more light. Okay. Yeah, just help it a little bit. Yeah. That way you can grow up taller and stronger. Hey, that's actually a pretty good tactic because otherwise it's totally going to be blown over. If you just like prop it up against the dead one for a long time.
I mean, these ones are dead, but this is still very alive.
Yeah.
Because there's still lively stuff coming over there.
Yeah,
But
there's
these
so
ones are
much
just
life
snapped
there.
right off, but these ones have
I know.
green all the way up.
Yeah.
This one is just
Hi. Hello, 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 hello.